about some hair accessories.
Yes, we're going to talk about hair accessories. So a couple of days ago, I got an inbox from a couple of girls that said, what do you put in your daughter's hair to keep it so nice and healthy? And where did you get those beautiful hair accessories from?
Yeah.
And how come she still got her edges? So,
always say that for no reason.
I don't know why they say that, but I guess they want to know how we still have our edges, or at least you still have your edges. And, you know, the products we use and things like that. So we decided to do a video about it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's start off with the products that we use first. The first product, boom, right there. That's what I live by. Where do we get this from, Kirsten?
Sally Beauty Supplies.
Sally Beauty Supply. Yes, it's called Ion, and it's a miracle leave-in conditioner.
Yeah.
So instead of spraying water on your hair, because I know a lot of people like, especially naturals, like to spray water on their hair to kind of add the moisture in it before they put their products in, I like to actually spray this leave-in in first, and then I start adding some additional products.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we really like this product. So this was only about $8 at Sally's, and it's a full bottle. Usually lasts me a couple of months because I make sure even when I don't style her hair, I make sure that I still spray it in her hair so that way it's still moisturized, right?
So yeah, just get the last thing.
Okay, well it's not the last thing, but the next thing is,
Ta-da!
ta-da! This is another leave-in conditioner. I am all about moisturizing her hair. That's why she's getting this length. That's why her hair is so nice and healthy and things like that, because of moisture. Moisture is key, guys. So this is from African Pride. It's called Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Formula Hair and Scalp Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. So after I spray the first product, I make sure it's saturated in that. Then I put about a dime size in each section. So I really go in on this type of stuff. So when I do this section, I spray it, then I put a dime size on this section. Then I go to the next section, then it's a dime size on that section. So we want to make sure that we moisturize, right?
Moisture is key.
Moisture is key. Okay, so the next product is
Ta-da!
ta-da! This is old school. If anybody knows about anything with hair, if you are a black girl from back in the day, like I am, you know about Blue Magic. Everybody put Blue Magic in their hair back in the day, and it made our hair nice and healthy before we started putting chemicals and things like that in it. Now listen, I still live by it. It still works, guys. This is the Blue Magic Originals Super Sure Grow. So I don't necessarily put this on her actual hair. However, I do put it on her scalp because when I part it, I like to make sure that her scalp is nice and moisturized as well, because that's going to be exposed. So we want to make sure that we keep her scalp as moisturized as her actual hair. And I'm telling you guys, your daughter's hair or even your hair will grow like a weed. I'm telling you, her hair has grown so much since we've been doing this little regimen thing. I did put coconut oil and olive oil and things like that in her hair, but what I noticed is that it gets more dry. Yeah, so we don't want to use those, at least for her. It may work for other people, but I tried that and the next morning it's like a Brillo pad. So, but these products actually help keep her hair moisturized, right?
Yeah.
All right, so next, let's get into our favorites. Kirsten's favorite hair pieces.
Ta-da! This is one of my favorite headbands. So we got this somewhere, like, I don't know.
We got this from Charlotte Rules.
Charlotte Rules. We got this from Charlotte Rules. I don't really know how much dollars it is.
How much dollars it is? It was $5.
It was $5.
Yes, so that's one piece. It's so cute, guys. Let's try it on for them. So this is another piece we actually got from Charlotte Rules for like $4. So it's really cheap to look cute, guys.
I can put it on, Mommy.
Okay, put it on. Look how cute that is, guys. See, and you can just dress your little girl up just all cute. Put a little burrs on her hair. I get the burrs from just your local beauty supply. It's like $1 for like 50 of them in the pack. Still hasn't changed since you know, when we were little girls. And then I just add the little accessories here. I love these things, guys. This just like spices up every single outfit you can imagine. So that's one headband. And then Kirsten's next favorite one is
the pink one.
the pink one. This is like her go-to. This is the one she likes to wear a lot because it's pink. It's her favorite color.
And even it matched my bunnies.
It does match your bunnies.
Yes.
And how much did this one cost, Kirsten?
$5.
$5. That's it. So it doesn't, as you can see, it doesn't cost much to look cute, guys. It's only $5 for these little headbands, and they're just adorable.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go on to the next headband.
This one, Mommy tried it on and this looks like cute.
Yeah, so this one is actually one of my favorites. Sometimes I put this on, you know, not having much hair, just want to add some little sparkle to my hair. I may even put this on even though I bought it for her. But it's just a little headband there that just adds the sparkle to the entire head. She loves headbands, but what I want to tell you guys about headband is make sure that it's not pushing too hard or too tight behind the ears because then they start to get headaches. So when I get them, I immediately open them up, stretch them. Don't do it too much, you might break it, but kind of stretch it open a little bit so that way it's not pressing too much on their temples or the back of their ears, whatever you call this part, you know, so yeah. And then
My next one is like some bunny ears.
some more bunny ears.
This one is have some little shiny dots on the top, and it's actually like my favorite one. I always liked it, and I always wanted. So yeah.
So our next one is these are just pins.
Yeah, pins for your hair to make them. These are actually flowers. You guys can't really see them good because you're not at a home. So yeah. So these are actually cute, and I really wanted these.
All you do is just stick them right in your ear. They're so pretty.
Yeah, you can't really see them because you're not here.
They can't see them because they're not here. But yeah, that's all you do with these guys. Just stick them right in the hair. You can stick them in the bun there. It just adds some cute little, you know.
There's some snow things in my hair.
Yeah, it looks like snow, huh? That's so beautiful. And that's it. These were 50 cents, guys, from my local beauty supply store. I mean, so cheap. I went to another local beauty supply and they were charging like $1 for these. But these specific ones were only 50 cents. So I got 4 of them. So that way you can decorate their hair for like a wedding or a special event, or even if they're just going to school and you want to spice them up for picture day. Stick them right in their bun and you're winning. Okay, so our last and final one is
Some like unicorn bouncing. You stick and you just put them in your hair.
yes, unicorn one. She actually has a yellow one in right now. Kind of look down, Kirsten, so they can see the yellow one. She has a yellow one in right now, and we bought the purple one and the turquoise teal one as well. And these were like $2 for $1 at my local beauty supply store. So that's it, guys. You can dress your little girl up so cute. Put all the different hair accessories in for really, really cheap. You can go with a solid $20 bill and come out with some hair accessories for the week. You know what I mean? So yes, these are so cute. They match all different type of outfits. They have the colors that little girls love, and it works out well, right?
So we even have yellow on my outfit and yellow on my hair.
Yeah, because we want to coordinate. We want to make sure that everything matches, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, guys.
Thank you so much for watching. Click on subscribe, and we will see you next time. We will see you on the next video.
Yes, we will. Bye-bye.